Welcome to our session on appointing contractors. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today for this essential session focused on the important processes involved in selecting and managing contractors for your construction projects. The success and quality of your project can be greatly influenced by how well you choose and manage the contractors you work with. Let's dive into the details. Objective of the session. The main objective of today's session is to equip you with the knowledge necessary to effectively select and manage contractors in your restaurant construction projects. By understanding the key processes involved, you will be better prepared to make informed decisions that lead to successful outcomes. Overview of contractor selection. Let's start by outlining the key elements in the contractor selection process. This includes identifying suitable candidates, evaluating their qualifications and capabilities, and ultimately finalizing your selection based on established criteria. Each of these steps is crucial to ensure that you choose the right contractor for your project. Criteria for contractor selection. When selecting a contractor, there are several key factors to keep in mind. First, consider their experience, focusing on relevant project experience and industry expertise. Next, evaluate their financial stability to assess their ability to manage project finances and resources effectively. Lastly, gather references to obtain positive feedback from previous clients and ensure successful project completions. Evaluating experience. One of the most important aspects of contractor selection is assessing their experience. Review past projects that are similar in scope and scale to your own. Analyze the contractor's history with meeting deadlines and budgets, as this will give you insight into their reliability and capability to deliver quality work. Financial stability. Another critical factor to consider is the financial stability of the contractor. It's important to evaluate their financial statements and credit history to ensure they have the resources necessary to complete the project without financial distress. A financially stable contractor is more likely to manage resources effectively and avoid potential delays. Checking references. Gathering feedback through reference checks is essential to gain a comprehensive understanding of a contractor's performance. Contact previous clients to discuss their experiences with the contractor. Inquire specifically about the quality of work, adherence to timelines, and the effectiveness of communication throughout the project. Importance of clear communication. Establishing effective communication from the outset is vital for project success. Set clear expectations and project goals to ensure everyone is aligned. Maintaining open lines of communication throughout the project life cycle will help address any issues that may arise and foster a collaborative environment. Role of contracts. Written contracts play a crucial role in formalizing the relationship between you and the contractor. They define the scope of work, establish timelines, and outline payment schedules. Additionally, contracts clarify the responsibilities and liabilities of both parties, providing a framework for the project. Key components of a contract. When drafting contracts, it's essential to include several key components. Detailed project specifications and requirements should be outlined clearly. It's also important to specify the terms for changes, dispute resolution, and termination. Lastly, include payment terms and conditions related to project milestones to ensure transparency. Managing contractor relationships. Building strong partnerships with contractors is fundamental to project success. Foster a collaborative working environment by regularly checking in on progress and addressing any issues promptly. A positive relationship can lead to improved communication and project outcomes. Monitoring performance. Establishing monitoring mechanisms is important for assessing contractor performance throughout the project. Set up performance metrics to track progress and ensure adherence to project plans. Conduct regular site visits and request progress reports to stay informed about the project's status. Addressing issues and conflicts. When conflicts or issues arise, it's essential to have strategies in place for resolution. Encourage open dialogue to address misunderstandings and maintain a healthy working relationship. Always refer back to the contract for clarity on responsibilities and expectations, as this can help resolve disputes more effectively. Best practices for contractor management. In summary, here are some key takeaways for successful contractor management: conduct thorough evaluations and background checks, communicate clearly, and maintain transparency throughout the project. Additionally, be proactive in managing relationships and addressing any issues as they arise to ensure a smooth project execution. Conclusion. As we conclude our session, it's important to emphasize the significance of careful contractor selection and management in ensuring the success of your construction projects. By applying these principles, you will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of working with contractors in your future endeavors. Thank you. Thank you for your participation and engagement in today's session on appointing contractors. We hope you found the information valuable and applicable to your future projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Best of luck with your upcoming construction projects.